Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers are. And click on that bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So in this video, I will show you how much money does the Samurai Carpenter make on YouTube. Now let's talk about his YouTube journey. He started his channel back on June 23rd, 2011. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 659,000. Total amount of views is at 70 million views. Average daily subs is at 300. Monthly subs is at 3,600. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. He currently gets about 40,000 views a day. 1,000 views gives a YouTube between $3 to $5. So let's say $3. So his daily income is $120. Monthly income is $3,600. His annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate again, his income is $43,200. Now YouTube cut takes about 25%. So the income after the YouTube cut is $32,400. The Samurai Carpenter shop. He has t-shirts and plans, but his plans are, from what I've seen, are about $20. So he has about 695,000 subscribers, and let's say about 1% of his subscribers buy something every year. So it's 6,590. And his plans are about $20. So he makes about $20 profit. So do the math, 6,590 times $20, and he's making extra $131,800. That's a lot of money per year. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.